Welcome to the English Story Well channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
In the quaint village of Everwood, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived a young girl named Emma. Emma was a curious and adventurous spirit, always exploring the world around her. She lived with her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Harper, in a charming cottage surrounded by blooming flowers and tall trees. Mr. Harper was a blacksmith, known for his skill in crafting tools and weapons, while Mrs. Harper ran a small bakery that filled the air with the sweet scent of fresh noon. While playing in the attic of their cottage, Emma stumbled upon an old, dusty chest. Intrigued, she opened it and found a beautifully ornate book. The cover was adorned with intricate designs of stars and moons, and the title read, "The Enchanted Realm." Raced with excitement as she began to read the first chapter. As Emma delved deeper into the book, she learned about a magical realm that could only be accessed by those with a pure heart and a courageous spirit. According to the book, the entrance to this realm was hidden somewhere in Everwood. Emma's imagination soared with the possibilities, and she decided to embark on a quest to find the portal. Armed with the book and her trusty backpack, Emma set out to explore the village. She visited the ancient oak tree at the edge of the forest, the old stone bridge by the river, and the mysterious caves in the hills. Despite her efforts, she couldn't find the portal. Feeling disheartened, Emma returned home and decided to read more of the book for clues. That night, as Emma read by the light of a flickering candle, she came across a passage that mentioned the Whispering Woods, a place where the trees spoke in hushed tones and secrets were hidden among the leaves. Determined to uncover the truth, Emma decided to visit the Whispering Woods the next day. The following morning, Emma ventured into the forest, her heart pounding with anticipation. As she walked deeper into the woods, she noticed the trees seemed to be whispering to each other. She listened closely and heard them mention a hidden glade where the portal could be found. Following the sound of their whispers, Emma discovered a beautiful glade bathed in sunlight. In the center of the glade stood a shimmering archway made of entwined branches and vines. With a mixture of excitement and nervousness, Emma stepped through the archway. A dazzling light enveloped her, and when she opened her eyes, she found herself in a breathtaking world filled with vibrant colors and magical creatures. Had entered the enchanted realm. Emma marveled at her surroundings. Unicorns grazed in meadows, fairies fluttered among flowers, and majestic dragons soared in the sky. She knew she had embarked on an extraordinary adventure. As she explored the realm, she met a friendly fairy named Luna, who offered to be her guide. Luna explained that the enchanted realm was in danger. The Heartstone, a powerful gem that kept the realm in balance, had been stolen by a dark sorceress named Morgana. Without the Heartstone, the realm's magic would fade, and chaos would ensue. Her heart and brave spirit was the chosen one destined to retrieve the Heartstone and save the realm. Emma accepted the quest, and Luna gave her a magical map that showed the way to Morgana's lair. Along the way, Emma would need to find 3 enchanted artifacts to help her defeat Morgana: the Shield of Courage, the Sword of Wisdom, and the Amulet of Kindness. Emma's first destination was the Crystal Caves, where the Shield of Courage was hidden. The caves were filled with glittering crystals that reflected the light in a dazzling display. However, they were also guarded by a fierce ice dragon named Frostbane. Emma approached the dragon with trepidation, but remembered Luna's advice to be brave and speak from the heart. Emma told Frostbane about her quest and her determination to save the realm. Charity and courage, Frostbane allowed her to take the Shield of Courage, a gleaming silver shield that shimmered with a magical light. Next, Emma and Luna traveled to the ancient library, a towering structure filled with countless books and scrolls. The Sword of Wisdom was said to be hidden among the knowledge within. The library was guarded by an ancient sphinx named Saphira, who challenged Emma to a riddle. "If you look at the numbers on my face, you won't find 13 anyplace. What am I?" Emma thought for a moment and then answered, "A clock." Saphira smiled and granted her access to the library. After searching through dusty tomes and forgotten scrolls, Emma found the Sword of Wisdom, a beautifully crafted blade that glowed with a soft blue light. The final artifact, the Amulet of Kindness, was located in the Enchanted Forest, home to the kind-hearted forest spirits. Emma had to prove her kindness by helping the creatures of the forest. She mended a broken wing of a baby bird, helped a lost deer find its way home, and healed a wounded fox. In gratitude, the forest spirits presented Emma with the Amulet of Kindness, a delicate pendant with a glowing green gem. The amulet radiated warmth and compassion, filling Emma with a sense of peace and purpose. Chapter 9. The Final Confrontation. 3 artifacts in hand, Emma and Luna set off for Morgana's lair, a dark and ominous castle surrounded by swirling shadows. As they approached, Morgana appeared, her eyes filled with malice. She laughed, mocking Emma's quest and claiming that no child could defeat her. But Emma stood her ground, holding the shield of courage high, brandishing the sword of wisdom, and wearing the amulet of kindness. The artifact's combined power created a brilliant light that dispelled Morgana's dark magic. Emma's bravery, wisdom, and kindness overwhelmed the sorceress, who finally yielded. Chapter 10. Restoring the Heartstone. With Morgana defeated, Emma retrieved the Heartstone, a radiant gem pulsating with magic. She returned it to its rightful place in the center of the realm, and the enchanted realm flourished once more. The skies cleared, the land bloomed, and the magical creatures rejoiced. Emma was hailed as a hero. Her name was celebrated throughout the realm. She had not only saved the enchanted realm, but also discovered her own strength and potential. 11. Returning home. As her adventure in the enchanted realm came to an end, Emma knew it was time to return home. She bid farewell to Luna and all her newfound friends, promising to visit again someday. Stepping back through the shimmering archway, Emma found herself once more in the glade in the Whispering Woods. The experience had changed her. She was no longer just a curious girl from Everwood. She was a hero who had saved a magical realm. With a heart full of memories and a spirit ready for new adventures, Emma returned home, eager to share her incredible story with her family. Chapter 12. A New Journey. In Everwood, Emma's life returned to normal, but she carried the lessons and experiences of the enchanted realm with her. She continued to explore, read, and dream, knowing that there were countless adventures waiting for her, both in her world and beyond. Emma's story became an inspiration to everyone in the village. She wrote about her journey. Her books were filled with tales of bravery, wisdom, and kindness. Her stories encouraged others to believe in the power of their dreams and the magic within their hearts. And so, Emma's adventures continued, each day bringing new discoveries and new stories to tell. She had learned that the world was full of wonder, and that with courage, wisdom, and kindness, anything was possible.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into English Story Well, where every story is a step towards mastering English.